Hey y'all, great time here in Flagstaff. We're moving on and we're moving north, but we've had a great time here. Great businesses around here in Flagstaff. One of them's a laundromat here. It says Maytag Laundry Equipment.
Equipped,
but it's laundry. It's a laundry. It's really nice.
It's very nice.
And very inexpensive. We did
Yes.
3 big loads, and dry them and wash them was $10. Can't
Yeah.
beat it. Right over here, the Jiffy Lube, we're just having oil changed and a filter change and things refilled, came to like $128. That's a bargain, guys. With an air filter change, oil and filter change, for a diesel, that's an excellent price. So I recommend these guys. They got us in, they got us out. They're 5-star.
Well, y'all, the engine light came on the truck, so we had to come in here to Jiffy Lube at 2700 Woodlawn Drive, I think. Anyway, I will correct that in the video. But they are doing an excellent job. Oh my gosh. So we've been on dusty roads, and it was quite dirty. We're having to have the oil changed and the filters. And get this, one of the guys says, "Oh, you're the Nomadic Ramblers. I just made your wings and they were delicious." Is that awesome or what?
The other nice thing about here, right over there, you get the UPS store where you can get your mail.
Cost you $5 a package.
Yep. And on the other end here, if you want to go to the grocery store, there's Bash's there.
Right?
Bash.
They have great produce. Yep.
And Walmart here, which doesn't have much produce, is pretty good. Just the restrooms are in the back.
Yeah.
But you got kind of everything here. And they got a pretty nice garden center over there too. Actually, it's bigger than you would think they'd have a produce center, but it's just the way this Walmart's laid out.
Right.
I don't run the show. Good parking, easy access.
And there's also an urgent care here.
So if you need to see the doctor, you can do that while you're here too. So you can wrap up everything you need to do.
Right here in this shopping mall.
And this is called what? South Woods Boulevard?
South Woodlands Boulevard.
South Woodlands Village.
Right.
Boulevard. Yeah, it's a long
Flagstaff.
word, y'all. Bear with us. But the people here, we've been having a great time in Flagstaff. Awesome folks here. Great pizza, great Olive Garden, great restaurants we've been to. McDonald's still good for breakfast. $4 bargain. But you just can't beat it. I had a great time here, y'all. So if you ever come to Flagstaff, check out this area. It's camping right north of here. We're 8 miles from here camped in the National Forest, in a nice place.
Forest Road 222.
Yep, 222, and there's a lot of good ones out here, but it's a little bit cooler up there than down here. We're probably, I think we're about 7,400 feet there. Here they might be 72, I don't know, 7,000.
Yeah.
It's about 5 degrees difference, but it makes a difference.
Exactly.
But hey, when it's 80 degrees, there's no humidity. Hey, what can I say? That's
Exactly.
great. But we're on our way. We're gonna go back and hook up, and we'll let y'all know where we're gonna be.
All right.
Take care, y'all. evening, y'all. We're taking a little walk here. We're walking with the cows this evening. It's just been wonderful. Little baby cows and all. Been walking right along the road here with us, out from our camp. It's just beautiful. Bunch of little babies. They headed down there. If you see that trailer down there, that's where the water tanks are at. They got water down there. But it is beautiful. Look at our view over there, though. Isn't that something? Let me back up so you can get some more of these babies. A bunch of them over there. There's little. He keeps watching me. I think he has something in it for me. These are some healthy cows, y'all.
Lots of steaks running around.
And these aren't the big ones. There are some big ones in here. They're white. They are big. But they are beautiful creatures. Man.
Look at that shelf of clouds right there.
Yeah,
wow.
Don't do it justice, does it?
No.
Don't pick it all up. Especially what we're seeing, that limestone over there on the side. It's white. That mountain's white over there, y'all. It's hard to see it.